distinguished participants. It has been a long day, and I'd like to say that on behalf of the Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs that I represent on this group meeting, we're grateful for the invitation, and we're also grateful for the hospitality that has been extended to us. I would only add two things. The visit to Bolgar that we undertook yesterday has taught me two things. One, that it has shown to me and rekindled our knowledge of how Islam came to my own part of Africa in very much similar manner that it came here. Of course, much, much later than it had come to you. Itinerant scholars, tradesmen who come and by their own way of life, they demonstrated the beauty of Islam, and for which the communities, the leadership, the political leadership appreciated and accepted Islam, and very much like we saw here in the history that we went through, physically examining and also seeing the relics of how it all went. So that visit rekindled this knowledge of how Islam came to our own part of Africa. The second takeaway I have from the visit again, and I'm going to limit myself to that, is that it has also shown me how Russia is building on this legacy to revive, to rekindle, to be inclusive, and to make everybody feel a sense of belonging, and to show that your history, the history of the people, the Tatarstans, starting in Bolgar, is as relevant today for Russia-Islamic world strategic alliance and understanding as it has always been for the people there. It also should teach us the lesson that if we have conflicts, internal conflicts within the same faith, between sects, the way to go about it really is that Russia has discovered, after 70 years of shutting its doors to religion, has discovered a way of reopening and making it work better for them. We also should have that initiative, that although we have not gone through the same process, we would learn from them in dealing with our difficulties, internal difficulties, as someone has spoken, by being inclusive, by not dealing unfairly with others, whether within the same faith and expressing different views of the same faith. That's the lesson I have learned from my participation this time, but in particular for my participation and visit to Bolgar. It is a lesson I will take away with me, and I thank the organizers for the hospitality and also for extending that invitation for me to be part of this, but to experience this event and to be part of what has taught me how we can deal with our situation locally, and how also Russia would tell the world how to deal with a similar situation that we have found ourselves. Mr. Chairman, I thank you for the opportunity, and as I said, it has been a long day, and I should not want to inflict further delay on proceedings. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.